Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making ice cream not just with any mango but with the king of mangoes, the Alphonso. You can add any different type of mango to make this recipe. This isn't your ordinary ice cream. We are unlocking the true potential of Alphonso mangoes, creating a dessert with an intensely rich creamy texture and an explosion of pure mango flavor. The best part? It's surprisingly easy to make at home. Renowned for their intense sweetness, vibrant color, and creamy flesh, Alphonso mangoes are the undisrupted star of the show. Their unique flavor profile, unlike other mangoes, translate beautifully into ice cream, creating a truly special experience. The technique like pureeing the mangoes or using an ice cream maker can help achieving a smooth and scoopable consistency. So ditch the store-bought ice cream and experience the magic of Alphonso mangoes in this homemade ice cream recipe. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. And also do hit that like and share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So ditch the heat and get ready to cool down with the ultimate summer treat, homemade mango ice cream. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take blender jar. Then take 550 grams of Alphonso mangoes and add it to the blender jar. Then add a pinch of salt. Add 2 teaspoons lime juice freshly squeezed and then blend this to a smooth puree. Then simply add it to a separate bowl. Make sure the puree is something like this. It is a perfect consistency. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add 250 ml milk, add 500 ml double cream, and then whisk it and allow it to boil. Then take a bowl, add 6 egg yolks, and add half teaspoon vanilla essence. Then add 200 grams sugar and whisk it until sugar is nicely dissolved and egg yolk changes to pale yellow. Make sure the consistency of the mix is something like this. Then check on the milk when it starts to boil. Then simply add it to the egg mix. Add the milk slowly to the egg mix. Then simply add it back to the same pan. Then cook it again until it is nice and thick, or until the temperature reaches to 84 degrees centigrade. Or to check, you can also use the back of the spoon. When it shows this impression, it is ready. Then add the mango puree which was previously made. And whisk it nicely. Make sure the thickness is something like this. This is the perfect consistency. Then simply strain the mango ice cream mix. This step is very important as it will give you a nice smooth ice cream. Then simply use a clean film to cover the mix, but make sure that the clean film touches the surface of the mix. Doing this, the skin won't form on the surface of the mix. Simply cool down the mix and leave it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. Then simply remove the cling film and give this a nice mix. Make sure it is something like this. This is a perfect consistency. Then simply pour the mix in the ice cream maker bowl. And then churn it in an ice cream maker until the ice cream is nice and thick. This should probably take about 40 to 45 minutes. Then simply remove the ice cream maker. Make sure you scrape all the ice cream remaining on the ice cream maker pedal. Then simply pour the ice cream in a food container, but add only half of the mix. Then add some fresh mangoes cut in small cubes. This will add more flavor to the ice cream. Then add the remaining ice cream mix. And add some more fresh mangoes on top. Then simply freeze it for about 5 to 6 hours. And there you have it guys, a scoop of pure Alphonso mango magic. Look at that vibrant color and that creamy texture. Every bite is an explosion of the king of fruit flavor. Perfect for a hot summer day or a taste of tropics any time of the year. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and unique ice cream recipes like this one. If you are looking for a vegan option, you can easily substitute coconut milk for the cream. Oops, almost forgot. Alphonso mangoes are seasonal treats, so if you can't find them fresh, frozen Alphonso pulp can be a great substitute. Or you can also cut fresh Alphonso mangoes and freeze it. If you like this recipe, then please hit that like, and if you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Now go forth and spread the joy of Alphonso mango ice cream. Until next time, happy churning. Bye.